Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 9. Asking about the hotel gym. Excuse me. Does this hotel have a fitness facility?
Yes, we try to accommodate all needs of our patrons, including fitness.
Where is your fitness facility located?
The gym is just below the lobby. Take the elevator or the stairs. You can't miss it.
Is there an additional surcharge for the gym?
No, the gym is free to guests. Take your room key, however, so you can get in.
What time is the gym open, and what time does it close?
The gym is open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.
Do you offer trainer services along with the gym?
Unfortunately, no. If you want a trainer, you'll have to use another gym.
Pardon me. Does your hotel have a fitness facility?
Yes, sir. We try to anticipate all our guests' needs, including fitness.
Great! Where is it?
Sir, the gym is just below the lobby. You can take the elevator or the stairs.
Do I have to pay extra?
No, sir. It's gratis. Just take your room key so you can get in.
What are the gym hours?
You'll be happy to know that it's open 24/7.
Great! Is a trainer available?
I'm sorry, but no. We used to have a trainer, but then he had an unfortunate accident.
Does this hotel have an exercise facility?
But of course. We have a great exercise facility.
Good. Now exactly where is it?
It's located right under our lobby. Just take the elevator or the stairs one flight down.
Is this going to cost me anything?
No, sir. The gym is absolutely free. However, be sure to take your room key with you.
When does the gym open and close?
The hours couldn't be better, 24/7.
Very good. Now, is there a trainer down there?
I wish I could tell you yes, but no, there isn't.
Do you have a place where I can exercise?
Yes, sir. We have a fine exercise facility. I'm happy to hear that. Now, would you tell me where it is?
You're actually standing above it. Just take the elevator or stairs down one level.
Is the hotel going to charge me $1 a minute for gym use?
No, sir. There's no extra charge. All you need is your room key to open the door.
And the gym hours are?
Sir, you'll be pleased to know that our gym never closes.
One more question. Do you have a trainer?
We might be getting one in the near future. But at the present time, no. Excuse me. Do you happen to have a gym here?
Yes, sir. I think you'll find our gym quite satisfactory.
So, where do I go to exercise?
It's only one flight down, sir. Just take the elevator or the stairs.
Am I going to be charged extra for using the gym?
Sir, you can use the gym for free. All you need is your room key.
Great! Now tell me, what are the hours of this gym?
Sir, our gym is open around the clock, every day of the week.
Do you have a trainer to help me work out?
I'm sorry, sir, but we have no trainer.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.